My question is, how can one deviate from sins that one is addicted to?
First thing is that you pray to Allah Ta'ala in your 5 daily prayers that Allah Ta'ala save you from all the satanic attacks on certain things, right? You see, we are surrounded by so many bad things in the present day world. Even today, internet, television, and other social media is actually attracting us in a way which is not the right way. Quite a number of programs shown on the television or they're available on internet and social media are actually trying to deviate us from the right path, from the true teachings of Islam. And because of the lust and charm, we are attracted towards these things. So the first thing is that seek Allah's help. Only Allah can save us from Satan. This is why we say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Allah Ta'ala save us from the Satan, the accursed. Then in the 5 daily prayer, you fervently pray for yourself that Allah save you, for your siblings, for your family members, for the Jamaat members. And this is how you can broaden your prayers so that you can not only be saving yourself, but your atmosphere as well, your environment as well, right? Then say istighfar. Make it compulsory that you daily do istighfar as much as you can, right? And yes. also try to avoid seeing the bad programs shown on the television or available on internet or social media. So this is how you can save yourself. And then at the same time, try to increase your religious knowledge by reading the Quran and see what are the commandments given in the Holy Quran. Write them down, that what you have to do and what you have to avoid, and refrain yourself from those bad things, right?
Yes, sir.
And also at the same time, in the present day, Allah Ta'ala has sent the Prophet Messiah Islam to revive the religion of Islam, to tell us the true teachings of the Quran and the practices of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Hadith, right? Quran and Hadith. So for this, he has explained so many things in detail in his books. So whichever book is available in English, which has been translated in English, you try to read at least part of those books every day, so that in this way you can increase your religious knowledge as well. So we have to work hard to save ourselves from the bad things and the sins of today. Otherwise, the attack of the Satan is to such an extent that with our own effort, we cannot save ourselves. We have to seek Allah's guidance, Allah's help in this regard. Okay?
Yes, Jazakallah.